Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Update the iPad and the Nitro Mesh, and power the drum module. Once done, attach the correct Apple camera adapter for your iPad model, then plug the Nitro Mesh USB into that adapter. Make sure the module is on and not in MIDI over Bluetooth mode. You want a wired MIDI or class-compliant connection for reliability. You're setting up a direct data path, so the iPad recognizes the drum module as an input device. Now you configure the iPad and app to accept drum inputs. Open your drum app and choose external MIDI or USB MIDI as the input source. Many apps auto-detect class-compliant devices, but you may need to select the Nitro Mesh from a device list. If the app asks for MIDI channel, set it to the module's transmit channel, usually channel 10 for percussion, so mapping aligns. Make sure audio output is set to your desired monitor or interface, so you hear the finish by mapping and testing. Use the app's MIDI Learn function to assign each pad and cymbal to the correct kit sound, or load Alesis preset mapping if available. Tap every pad, adjust module sensitivity and velocity curves for realistic response, and save the mapping in your app or module. If you don't get signal, restart both iPad and module, try another USB cable or adapter, and if needed, toggle MIDI channel. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.